This video is brought to you by Sailrite. Visit sailrite.com for all your project supplies, tools, and instructions. In this video, we are going to use the common sense or twist lock hole cutter to effortlessly punch the appropriate size hole and 4 slits for the installation of a common sense or twist lock eyelet. The tool is designed with exiting ports for fabric remains. These ports are aligned parallel to the edge of the fabric assembly to ensure the fastener will be installed in the correct orientation along the edge. It's important to hold the tool firmly as you pound. This is accomplished with a rubber cutting block placed on the underside of the fabric assembly and the tool being struck a couple of times with a heavy mallet until the hole and slits are cut through the fabric. Now that the hole and slits are made in your fabric assembly, all you have to do is insert the eyelet into the slits, place the washer on the reverse side, and bend the prongs over the washer to lock your eyelet in place. If you have multiple fasteners to install, we highly recommend the Common Sense Hole Cutter, which saves time and simplifies the installation of the eyelet. With the Common Sense Hole Cutter, installing a fastener is easy and efficient. That is why we recommend it for installing common sense or twist lock eyelets for your next canvas project. Purchase the Common Sense Hole Cutter from Sailrite today.